An interesting health fact. Did you know that watermelon helps control your heart rate? Now move to the topic. This boiled egg diet plan may help you lose 24 pounds in 2 weeks. We will try to cover all the essential things you need to know about the boiled egg diet and tips on how to maximize success with a simple menu. The battle to lose weight is probably among the hardest tasks, and people constantly search a way to find the best advice or fast weight loss tips. This boiled egg diet plan includes eggs, fruits, and vegetables and is good for accelerating your metabolism and burning fat. How does the egg diet work? Eggs have high protein and burn calories fast. They are full of proteins and necessary vitamins. They also provide a lot of energy throughout the day. It is really important to mention that the white consists only of protein, while all the healthy nutrients are in the yolks. This boiled egg diet is very simple and easy to follow. This diet will help you lose weight quickly with fewer exercises. Does the 14 days boiled egg diet work? These effective weight loss plans are in fact a low-calorie diet intended for quick weight loss, but not as long-term weight loss. The boiled egg diet for weight loss is easy to follow, but you need to use it only for 2 weeks. During the diet, it is recommended to drink plenty of water. Is the boiled egg diet safe? There is no research to show that a specific egg diet is safe or effective. There are other groups who shouldn't try this diet: pregnant or breastfeeding mothers, people allergic to eggs, people who have been guided by a physician to stay away from this type of diet. Here is boiled egg diet plan.